In this Amazon haul, I will talk about 10 amazing beauty essentials for hair, face, and body. And the best part is, all of them are under $25. Welcome to another Amazon must-haves. As always, all the items that I will be talking about will be linked in the description. This Amazon haul, I separated into 3 different routines: hair, face, and body. Let's start from the top and work our way all the way down to our pretty little feet. First item, my magical hair extender. It's by popular company Living Proof. This tube is 5 ounces, so about 150 mils. It usually lasts me about 3 months with my hair length. Purpose of this extender is to act as a primer and extend your hair routine up to 2 times longer. We all know about primers for makeup and eyeshadows, but what about primer for your hair? I usually go for straight hair, as you can tell, and using this primer allows me to extend my hair routine by extra 2 days. It can also be used on curly hair to keep your curly, beautiful hairstyles for much longer. This primer not only helps to extend your hair routine for longer, but it also helps to keep your hair clean and repel dirt and oils. It is suggested to be used after shower on towel-dried hair, from roots to ends. It can be used alone or in combination with other hair styling products. Living Proof originated in 2005, and they specialize in silicone-free products. If you watched any other of my Amazon videos, you will know that I love to research the company and the products I choose to use. Just a nosy Russian in me. I love their slogan, "We're the science, you're the living proof." Pretty cool, no? I'm a huge sucker for a smart and catchy ad, as long as the quality can match the big words, and this product for sure does. Another amazing thing that Living Proof does is their collaboration with TerraCycle. You can download the free TerraCycle app and print the prepaid shipping label so you can send them your empty tubes of Living Proof hair styling products. They will recycle it for you and give you $1 for every pound of empty tubes that you send them for recycling. Afterwards, when you accumulate a couple of those bucks, you can donate them to a charity of your choosing. How awesome is this program? So many of us are concerned about the environment, but do we actually go an extra mile to recycle properly? I certainly don't. Having this amazing option of properly recycling empty tubes for my hair products is a small but very valuable contribution, especially considering how fast I blow through those tubes to keep this gorgeous hairstyle going. Anyways, I thought it would be cool to mention. Moving on to item number 2. Ghost oil. It's by company VERB. It's 2 ounces or 60 mils. The purpose of this ghost oil is to smooth, frizz, and promote radiant shine for all hair types. It doesn't contain any parabens, gluten, or sulfates. I often do keratin hair straightening, and after the treatment, I can only use products that do not contain sulfates. And if you've ever been in that situation, you probably know how hard it is to find products without sulfates. Starting from shampoo, conditioner, and especially when it comes to oils and serums, so I was very happy when I found this ghost oil. But most importantly, it contains moringa oil. Moringa oil comes from moringa tree, which is native to India. Moringa tree is also called miracle tree because it contains over 90 nutrients and over 40 antioxidants to boost health. It is acquired through cold pressing process. Do you know what that means? I actually had to look it up. Cold pressing is a process of extracting oil from the oil seed at normal temperature in a natural way without chemical treatments. This process preserves antioxidant and nutrient-rich properties of oil seeds. Moringa oil has tons of benefits. I will read a few of those benefits for you. Moringa oil straightens your hair and prevents breakage. The proteins in the oil protect your hair from heat styling tools and environment. It moisturizes the scalp, improves shine and softness of your hair, promotes hair growth, fights split ends, which is a huge problem for me personally, and the vitamin C and E found in moringa oil help hair retain its color. That's so many amazing benefits in such a small packaging. All you need is just a few drops. I usually use it twice throughout my hairstyling routine. First on damp hair to provide extra protection from heat styling tools, and then as a finishing touch to take care of any flyaways and add extra shine. Next up is a hair serum. I chose Aminotouch. It's 2 ounces or 60 mils, and it acts as a natural hair protein treatment. It deeply repairs dry, damaged, frizzy, split ends, and over-processed hair. Literally, all of that applies to me. I can't even wash my hair and go to sleep. If I do that, I wake up looking electrocuted. True story. It is suggested to be used once a week until you reach your preferred results. The packaging specifically states that it needs to be used on damaged hair and not on healthy hair as a preventative measure. It is a very strong serum that's been specifically created to heal colored, permed, bleached, highlighted, and chemically straightened hair. It could also be used as pre-coloring or pre-bleaching treatment to prevent hair damage and retain vivid, brighter color for a longer duration. The results are truly incredible. The only disadvantage that I found is the application process. First, you need to wash your hair, then towel dry it, then add 4 drops of this serum into your usual conditioner and apply it on your hair. Then put on a shower cap and allow it to sit for about 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off. A bit inconvenient, but gives a great workout to my legs and back when I'm bending over my tub trying to wash it off. As my mom always said, beauty is pain. If you have an extra 30 minutes to spare, I would highly recommend to try this serum. Even after the first try, the hair feels so much smoother, it's easier to brush through, and it's less frizzy. Let's move on to face routine. I'm gonna start with non-magnetic eyelashes. What did I say, non-magnetic? Because all you could see lately is magnetic eyelashes all over the internet. This is my first try at getting false eyelashes. For years I had eyelash extensions, and when I parted ways with eyelash extensions, I realized that I'm missing the voluminous eyelashes, so I was on a hunt to find false eyelashes that are easy to apply. Before getting this non-magnetic eyelash set, I tried 4 different magnetic eyelash sets. They all came with great reviews, people were enjoying wearing them. I had the hardest time putting them on, and they just wouldn't stay, especially in the corner of my eye. They would keep popping out and I was having a nightmare. And then I found this beautiful set. Well, first of all, let's discuss the packaging. I didn't expect it to come in this stunning rose gold sparkly box. There's a mirror, by the way, which is always a nice touch. And then it comes with 3 sets of eyelashes. They differ in size and length. Today I'm wearing the shortest size available. Pair of tweezers and a eyeliner in a form of a pen applicator. When it comes to drawing cat eye, I usually prefer the pencil applicator, but most of the magnetic eyelash sets are sold with the liquid tube applicator. I'm very clumsy, so I have hard time applying the liquid applicator. When I saw the pen applicator, I thought I'm getting the magnetic eyelash set with the cool feature of having the applicator that I'm used to using. When it arrived, the packaging said self-adhesive eyelashes, and I had no idea what I got myself into. So what's the deal with the self-adhesive eyelashes? Is there a glue? No. The eyeliner contains a film-forming composition material that allows the eyelashes to stick easily and effectively. The packaging says that it's a grade A fiber and the eyelashes are 100% handmade. They're very easy to apply and take off. There is no sticky feeling to it. Before recommending them to you guys, I put them through a test. I've been wearing them for a few days from morning till evening, and I wanted to see how they act, if they pop out, if they make me feel uncomfortable. They're actually very comfortable. They kind of feel like the eyelash extensions that I had for years, and they stay on the whole day for good. Next item is by far the most random item that I've ever purchased, not only on Amazon but in life in general. Maybelline Tattoo Eyebrow Peel Off Tint. What? I honestly thought I will absolutely hate this product and I will ship it back, but surprisingly I love it. It is very easy to use and it actually works. I'm very lazy when it comes to my eyebrows. I don't like to waste too much time on filling them in with powder or eyebrow pencil. I know it's a huge trend and people are obsessed with eyebrows, but I just feel very neutral. I was on a hunt to find an easy tool to use when I'm on the go. Basically eyebrows for dummies, and this is exactly what this product does. It comes as a small tube. It's only about 5 mils, and if you open it, it looks like a liquid eyeliner. Same applicator, it's also gooey. I chose like a darker brown, almost black color for my eyebrows. It is very easy to apply. You just need to make sure that your eyebrows are clean and you draw the eyebrows with this eyebrow tint over. Then wait about 20-30 minutes and then you just easily peel them off. Super super easy, mess-free, no need to clean anything up after. Love, love, love. It is also waterproof and smudge proof and lasts anywhere from 3 to 7 days. For me, it usually lasts almost a week. It all depends how your eyebrows will take this pigment color. Next for you, I have jojoba oil. Super funny thing to say, jojoba. It's by company Cliganic. It comes in a glass bottle with an applicator, just like that. It's 4 ounces or 120 mils, and it's an ultimate treatment for dry hair and skin. Lately, I've been into oils for body and face, and after reading incredible benefits of jojoba oil, I decided to give it a try. It is 100% natural and pure. It is also certified organic, cold pressed, same as the moringa oil that we had in the ghost oil, unrefined, chemical free, lightweight, and fast absorbing. It is suggested to be used for hair, face, and body. It is also cruelty free and vegan, and it's hypoallergenic, so it could be used on the most sensitive skin. To list a few benefits of jojoba oil, it helps to soothe dry skin and sunburns, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and help to prevent bacterial infection, dandruff, and acne. It contains natural forms of vitamin E and has a very light and gentle scent. I've been using jojoba oil every day as a part of my nighttime routine in combination with another item that I got off Amazon. I present to you Jade Roller. I chose a brand called AYX Formula. It comes as a set of 2 double-sided rollers, so you can keep both of them for yourself or gift one to your friend. It arrives in a linen bag. It's a cute little linen bag with the company's logo on it. And it includes a weirdly shaped jade stone. I just recently learned that it's called gua shui, but I'll talk more about it later. Jade roller's been trending for a few years now, but turns out it's not a new concept. Jade rolling been used for centuries. The gemstone was used to draw out the negative energy and balance out the qi, which is also known as the life force or energy in the traditional Chinese medicine. Jade roller has a lot of benefits. To list a few, it reduces puffiness and wrinkles, improves your skin elasticity. It also stimulates the lymphatic drainage and improves blood circulation. You can also use it to brighten up your complexion and for faster absorption of your creams, oils, or face serums. The double-sided roller has a bigger roller and a smaller one. The bigger roller is suggested to be used on your cheeks, forehead, and your neck. I also use it for my double chin. Ayo, said but true. And a smaller one is used for eyes and nose. The best results are achieved if you use it daily for about 10-15 minutes and you work from the bottom upwards. It is also suggested to keep your jade roller in the fridge prior to using it because the cooling effect enhances skin tightening. It is supposed to be a very relaxing and enjoyable experience, so make sure you apply just a gentle pressure. Let's get back to gua sha. It's a jade stone that stimulates microcirculation of the soft tissue, which increases the blood flow. It can also ease the facial tension that so many of us carry. Next item, pimple patches. Very strange item. I honestly discovered it by mistake when I was looking for tea tree oil that I usually use on my blemishes and pimples, and then this little guy came up. It's by brand Liva Clean. It includes 48 ultra thin blending patches, and they look like this. Hold on. It's a resealable pouch and it's sealed very tightly. This is how it comes. There are a few of these sheets. As you can tell, I've been using them quite often. They come in 3 different sizes from 8, 10 to 12 millimeters to match the size of your pimple. It can be used under your makeup or it could be used as a nighttime routine. I prefer to do it as a nighttime routine. However, if you apply it under the makeup, the patches are very thin, so they become invisible. They work like band-aids on exposed blemishes and pimples. They're also absorb pus and oils. They're used for faster healing. They're not drying, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, and they're used to avoid the scarring. These patches are made with only one ingredient, and it's called hydrocolloid. I'll tell you exactly what it does. Hydrocolloid is made of gel-forming agents like pectin or gelatin that create a moist environment with the body to promote healing. They gently absorb excess fluids like pus and oils from your pimple while also protecting your wound from bacteria, gunk, and your dirty little fingers. The last 2 items to cover the body routine, or more like a routine for our feet, I decided to start talking about the foot scrub. Another random item, but super helpful. It's like a huge foot file. It's made with surgical grade stainless steel and could be used on dry or wet feet. I usually use it in the shower and I love how big the handle is. It's easier to grip it and how big the surface is. It works perfectly on those nasty looking peeling heels. I always take this foot scrub with me when I travel, especially when I go to beachy locations. There's no worse thing than you just get your fresh pedi done and you arrive to this beautiful beachy dreamy vacation, and after one day on the beach your heels start peeling and they are no longer smooth. This cheese grater looking thing will help big time. Last item, pain relieving foot cream. It's by brand Gold Bond, which is a very popular brand when it comes to foot powders, sprays, and creams. It's 113 grams, so it's a pretty big tube. You don't need much to apply for it to help you and work. The purpose of this cream is to provide soothing relief for tired, sore, and even painful feet. I have plantar fasciitis, so I have big problems with my feet. After working a few hours on my feet, which I do for a living, I can't even walk, and after spending hundreds of dollars on different creams, this was the only one that actually worked. It provides instant relief, it has a very nice cooling effect to it, and the minty scent actually helps with the foot odor, which is always helpful if you're wearing shoes for so many hours in a day. Try this cream and you'll thank me later. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode and found a few useful items for yourself. If you haven't seen my other Amazon videos, I will link them down below. Go ahead and check them out. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, healthy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now!